Hello. Guessing. Hello. Oh my God. My hair. I feel like I should try to be like a little bit presentable, at least at the start. People click away, you know? They come in and they're like, oh. I actually, who knows? You know, who knows? Anyway, hi, hello. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm CourtneyQuarantine, your host. I'm a full-time content creator, writer, streamer, makeup artist, and today I'm gonna do some makeup. I'm gonna do just a little quick eye look, I think, maybe, with this particular palette. I absolutely thought that I filmed with this already. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Things have been absolutely bonkers bananas on my end, just in my personal life and in my work life, I'm not gonna lie. Which, those are two of the same sometimes, but just more amped up than lately. More amped up lately than not. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm gonna do some makeup. If you like kind of chatty, vibe, and hanging out videos, consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. If you want to check out any of my other work, any of the games that I'm streaming, any of my photography, any of my other stuff, it's in the description. It's linked in the description. If you're returning, hey bestie. Hey, thank you so much for being here. Seriously, it means a lot. My hair is literally looking so good lately. My bed head, I'm not gonna lie, I love when my bed head looks like this. I know this isn't like the vibe for some people. It's very like unkept and it's a little frizzy sometimes, but I'm loving my red hair. I'm just obsessed with this. It's like it's kind of hard to see, I feel like, on here because it's like dark red. It's like cherry cola. I like to call it blood red. Like this blood red everywhere except for like the very fronts now. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Anyway, I am gonna get my hair out of my face though because I don't want my hair touching me. I'm just gonna put it back. I would like want to try to make this look good when it's like pulled back, but also like who cares? I need to shave my sides again because they're getting like kind of long and I really love the feeling of like a freshly shaved side. So good. Anyway, do I need to say anything else at the beginning of the intro? I don't know. I never remember. My skin is breaking out just a little bit right now, and that is due to stress. I am gonna be moving and like a whole bunch of stuff again. Many life things, work things, life work things, and my skin reacts mostly to foods that I eat that will break me out, such as like dairy and stuff like that, which I don't have a lot of anyway, and stress. Yeah, those two things. And then obviously like skincare products that break me out, but I tend to avoid those anyway. Like I really know what my skin loves. Anyway, we maybe didn't need to have that discussion, but here we are. Okay, calm down, okay? I'm gonna get into this palette today. This is the Smitten. The Smitten Kitten, what is it called? The Smitten, oh, it's just Smitten. This is what it looks like. It is literally so cute. Smitten by Dieverune Cosmetics. I'm gonna try to show you inside, but there's little discs on all of the like multi-chromes, all the shimmers. Same on the inside, so cute. But let me hold this up just ever so briefly. I'm gonna keep these discs, I'm not gonna lie, because I'm gonna be, again, traveling with this soon, and I don't want the shimmers to like break. I will literally cry. I will have a mentee bee. I just dug my nail into that. Dang it. Okay, whatever. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. Very pretty. Very excited about this color story. I like this a lot. And I do believe these are magnetic, and they also have a color and name indicator on the back. Lovely. That is lovely. Oh my gosh, I really enjoy that. That really takes it to the next level, I think, especially with palettes today and like depotting and like, okay, hello? This magnet is like working too much. By the way, this little magnet thing is from Blend Bunny. So handy. So handy, even more handy than the other magnets that I've had in the past. Really love that. Really love that. Okay, I'm just gonna get started and yup. Gonna prime my eyes first. I'm still using this giant P. Louise base. I have it, so I'm gonna use it. Don't know if I would repurchase this. That's that on that. But I purchased this. I don't even want to think about how long ago that was. But use what you got. I actually just put a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I take a sponge and kind of disperse it over my lids. Billion miles away from any mirror. I think I'm gonna take this mauve shade first. I think I'm gonna start with this shade over here. God, that's a horrible way of showing you. I'm gonna start off with this shade Formidable. That's funny. And I'm just gonna pat it into the crease to start. But I will usually start like in the crease. That's cute. That's a cute little shade. I like that it's not like super, super warm. Really enjoy these shadows. Wait, is this my first time using a matte in them? Ooh, might be. This is quite nice. That is lovely. That is lovely. What the heck? Okay, Dieverune, okay. Wow, that is like very soft, but it's not like too soft. That is so cute. That is so cute. Now I'm gonna take the shade Whiskers, which looks like this lovely gray. It looks like there's a little blue, maybe a little green in it, but I love gray. I'm gonna use the same brush because take it out here to start, I think. Yeah, absolutely. Little into the crease. Yeah, absolutely. I love that color. Oh, I love that color. I love that color. Cute, 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 cute. Okay. Ooh. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of Catnap. Oh, Catnap. Oh, that makes me think of Poppy's Playtime. If this does say Catnap, right? Yeah, Catnap. That makes me think of Poppy Playtime. Oh my God. Anyway, So I'm gonna take this shade. Should I probably change my brush? Yeah. Am I gonna do that? No. I'm gonna pick a little bit up of this. This might be a little bit darker than I was anticipating, but oh, I don't care actually anymore. I love that color. Oh, I don't care anymore. I love that color. Ooh. Ooh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Ooh, I'm just gonna kind of blend. I like wearing my eyeshadow pretty high. I'm gonna blend the edges with this Kosas powder that I absolutely adore. This is the cloud set. I have hit pan on this one. Love it. Mwah. And there we go. That's cute. Into that, into that. Gonna take About Face Smell Before Rain as like my lower lash line primer slash like base color. Yeah, it just gives a nice little something something for the shadows to stick to. I love using those About Face paints for that. I have literally for years and I always go back to them. They're just so good. They're very long wear. They're a little bit more dry. They're definitely more dry than like my Mob creams because when these set, they set. But I really, really, really love them. Again, going back to Formidable, that first shade, and just kind of running it in, smudging it in. Then I think I'm going to take Catnap actually. I think I'm just gonna take, yeah, oh my god, that is so stunning. I love that. I love Catnap so much. Oh, beautiful. I think I'm gonna take it like 3/4 and I'll leave this little pocket here. And I think what I really want to do is I'm gonna take that Whiskers shade, that gray Whiskers shade. I'm gonna use is like an inner corner low light. That right in here. Oh yeah, just a little bit. Absolutely. That's stunning. I just wanted to add that and that made a huge difference. You blend a little bit out with both Catnap and Formidable. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Give everything a little bit of a once over yet again. All the edges. Delightful. Oh, yep. I'm loving that. Okay, now, as much as I really want to use one of the shimmers in the palette, I think I am going to go in with one of these individual ones. These were kindly sent to me from the brand. So Dieverune, also, thank you so much for the palette, these individual shimmers, and then the cake liners too, which I don't know where those are, but I'm fairly certain that that was in the same package. Look at that. Look at that, dude. It's purple and orange, I do believe, which those are some of my favorites in one thing. God. And then this one, this is Alley Cat. Jesus. So these are the two individual shimmers. Those go so crazy, dude. Like I really, really, ooh, I do think because I really want to see that orange, I might use Stray Cat. Yeah, use my finger. Dear God. Good Lord. I barely touched. I barely tapped. Oh, these are insane, dude. This is my new favorite orange because it has purple in it. A little bit up here. Stop it right now. Stop it right now. Oh, stunning. Oh, stunning. That feels so good. Oh, I love that. Okay. Yep. Yep. The thing that's so cool too, as I'm sitting here, I can see, and I think you can see here because you can see the gold, you can see the orange, and then the purple is just like the undertone of it all. Oh my God. Wow, I'm really into that. Wow. Wow, wow. These single Dieverune multi-dimensional hyper shimmer freaking insane shades. Well, I don't know what they're officially called. I don't even know if I care. I mean, I'm sure that I know that the brand cares, but these go so hard. These are so wild. If you've never tried these, honestly, just picking one out that you feel like most vibey with this might be my new favorite. That might be my new freaking favorite. I love all the ones that have orange. I love all the ones that have pink. I've seen a lot of ones with pink in them and I'm like, ooh, but I really, really am very into those. I think truly that's where I want to leave the eyes because like that's just kind of what I'm vibing with. I'm gonna put these little discs back in here because I really want this to like travel well. Even the shimmers in the palette, like they're so stunning. They're so impactful. Like these Dieverune shimmers are so impactful in so many different like lightings too. Like I could be in low light and I'm like, oh, what is that shimmer? What is that shimmer? There are some of these shimmers that I really have been wearing. The mini moth and moon, the orange in that one, I've been wearing that one a lot recently and oh my God. Oh my God. That Love Bite shade in here, stunning. These look very, very stunning. Okay, I'm gonna put these little discs back. I don't want them to break. Great. This is great. I love purple makeup so much. Every time I put it on, I feel better. And this look, I'm obsessed. I'm already in love with this eye. I really, really enjoy this. I don't know. I just wanted to do like this specific eye today. I was really excited about that gray in the palette. I was really, really excited about the single shadows. I already lost them. Really? Really? Haha. They're right here. Okay. Very hugely, bigly, very much so into these. I just feel like they're so, ooh. And I don't know, there's something about like the orange tones and the pink tones in these, like particularly from Dieverune, that I really just like heart eyes. Heart eyes. I wasn't sure if I wanted to add lower lash mascara, so usually when I'm doubting something, I just kind of leave it for a while, see if I might want to add it later. But I really love this look. I love this eye. I love those products. I am very impressed by the mattes. Like, I don't know why. They're so much softer and like they felt like buttery to blend. Not even just like buttery to the touch, like with the finger, but like it feels like when I was blending it out with my actual brush, like it was just like not so much that like it's over blending immediately, because some shadows I feel like are right up to that line, and sometimes I really enjoy those because you can get smoky in an instant and it's like really, really nice. But anywho, my thoughts are that palette is so cute. I'm obsessed with the fact that it has like labeling underneath on each shade. It's the name, it's the color indicator. That is lovely. Into the color story, into the impact of the shades, into the way that they blended, into this look, honey. I don't know if there's much more I have to say about the palette in particular. I really do need to find those cake liners because I love cake liner. I love cake liner so much. But if this is like a color story you're vibing with, I would definitely check it out. Let me check the price just because I'm curious. I would imagine it's not cheap just because of the very high intensity shimmers. Wow, okay, $59. $59? $59 is actually not that bad. I mean, it's definitely not cheap. It doesn't feel cheap though. This is an indie brand, but with the amount of shimmers, I am honestly kind of surprised. That is wild. Now again, this was gifted to me from the brand, so literally thank you so much, but this is one that I can confidently say, if I wasn't already getting this, I would purchase that. And here's why. Number one, color story and vibes alone. Kitty's cute. That's adorable. I love that. But honestly, the theme could be like so bizarre. It's about what's inside. If I felt like I needed these kinds of purples, these kinds of like muted pinks, that gray, but also those pops of color, I will pop in like a photo or something like that too, because I think it's important to maybe include something when they have like studio light on it. But having the variety and the range, and also, to be able to take it out to customize this really puts it like at a different kind of level for me. If I can take out a couple of these shadows, put it in my little travel like to go magnetic case kit thing, there's a better way to say that, that's great. If I can take a few of those shimmers and a couple of those mattes with me, that just made this palette 100 times more useful for me. Now that's going to be different for every person. I understand that not everyone is caring about if it can be magnetized or not, if you can switch them around, if you can customize. I understand that. But from my perspective, absolutely. Smitten single is $10. The Bitten single is $14. Alley Cat is $14. Oh, Stray Cat is on pre-order for $14. Okay. Interesting. I might need to get some other single ones because Alchemy, All Hallows Eve. They're just so good. I also just want to take a quick second too, because I know my content is, I feel like, pretty laid back, especially on here. I want to talk about the makeup that I love. I want to do my makeup. I want to hang out. I want to yap. I do like to sprinkle in some like methods and techniques or fun things that I've learned like stylistically. But ultimately, like how people shop is up to them. I don't think you need to go buy any new makeup. There is some new makeup that I feel so passionate, I feel so strongly about, but even then, your decision to either look at it or not is not up to me. If it's something you feel inspired by, if it's something you feel really excited for, if it's a color story that you're like, I will use that, do you, bestie? Absolutely. Let those be indicators for you, especially too if it's something that you're thinking about for a while. Now I know with limited edition stuff like that makes it really hard, but I like to give myself like a window of time for certain things. If I cannot let something go, I will purchase it. Like there are nights that I go to sleep thinking about certain products. And I will think about products, I will dream about products, I will use them in my dreams. It's so ingrained in my life. And again, I know not everyone is like this, but if you find yourself thinking about a product a lot and you cannot let it go, that's probably a good sign. Or if you like look at a product and you think about using it in so many different ways and all this stuff, like let that also be an indicator. But everybody's different and not everyone is so like emotionally attached to their makeup. I understand that. If you're like, that's a cute palette, I want it, there's your reason. That's none of my business. But I do think that like if you like similar things that I do, sometimes it's kind of that vibe too. Like there are people that I watch that I'm like, if they like this, I will most likely, not guaranteed, I will most likely like that a lot or really like the vibe of it. You know what I'm saying? And I think that is really helpful in like a really, really very oversaturated industry. But yeah, I think I'm yapping enough about that. And I really love this look. The moral of the story is I really love this look. I'm really into that palette. I'm really into these single shadows. Like, even if the palette is just like too much or you don't need another makeup palette or what have you, like the single shadows, really do love. I really do love. I do have a discount code with Dieverune. If you want to use it, it's Courtney. Save you some coin. And I've really very much enjoyed my time using so many of their products. Actually, there's a palette that I was using. I need to find out where that went. But anywho, if you want to see any more content of me using Dieverune and just kind of my favorites from them, let me know. If you would like to give this video a thumbs up, please do so. Please give it a thumbs up and like this video. It helps with the algorithm. Also, if you want to comment something, your favorite thing in the collection or something you're excited about for spring, or if you don't know what to comment, you can comment, "Hey bestie." I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much if you do. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. All of my other work and all that other fun stuff is linked in the description. And as always, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Feeling good. Oh God, I love this look. I'm obsessed with this. I'm literally obsessed with this. Mwah.